How do I build a website on my own? Website building part 1. Hi guys, I'm Nat Ryan with Internet Marketing DIY. The easiest way to build a website on your own is to use an online website builder, but there are lots out there, so which one do you pick? In this video, I'm going to showcase 3 of the best website builders. By the way, all 3 can be used for any kind of website, so let's get started. My number 1 pick is Weebly. I've used a lot of different website builders over the years, but now all my sites are built exclusively using Weebly, and the reason is simple. Weebly is the easiest to use. It has simple drag and drop functionality that can't be beat by any of the other website builders. And let me tell you, once you get used to dragging and dropping in Weebly, you won't want any other method for putting a website together. Let me show you what I mean. Okay guys, so in an upcoming video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a website using Weebly. But for now, let's take a look at that drag and drop function that I was talking about. So here we are at a template that I've created using Weebly, and here is the banner at the top. Okay, it has a background image, but there's not much going on with it. So let's add something to that banner. Okay, so how about a title up here at the top? Now we go to the left-hand panel, grab the tile that says title and drag it over to the banner and drop it in. Okay, now we want it to say something different than just click here to edit. So I'm going to put in business name for now, but you could have your business name or the title of your website, whatever you want to put there. And then we just highlight it. We can make it bigger. We can bold it. We can change the color with the orientation. We can add a link to it, anything, right? But let's leave it at that for now. Okay, I'm going to scroll it up a little bit so you can see it better there. And now let's add a button to that. So let's say a call today button. So let's grab the tile that says button over here on the panel. Grab it, bring it over, and drop it underneath where it says business name. Now, we don't want it to just say button text, so we're going to click right in where it says button text. And then at the settings where it says button text, we're going to follow the arrow along. And we're going to change that to call today. Okay, and go back. Well, let's change the style. Let's make it a bit more pizzazz. Let's make it red. So we do that, and then we just click out, and then business name and call today. Okay, one more thing I want to show you. So here we have a bunch of text here on the left-hand side. Let's say that's a little boring and we want to add an image. So we're going to grab the image tile from the left-hand panel, drag it over to where we want to put it, right there. Okay, we'll just put it right here on the left, which is a good orientation, by the way, at the top of your website. And there it is. And then you just click in it, and then you can upload a photo from your computer, whatever photo or image that you want. And then that's it. That's how easy it is to use the drag and drop function in Weebly. Besides the great drag and drop feature, Weebly has a good number of templates, apps, and other features. So personally, I find them the best, but there are other good website builders out there. Let's look at a couple more that I have used in the past and I can honestly recommend to you, starting with Wix. Wix is the biggest website builder on the planet with more users than any other. They have great features and amazing templates, and they're relatively easy to use. If you want a visually stunning website with lots of features you can add for free, Wix may be the way to go. But there is a disadvantage to having so many stunning visuals. Too many visuals can seriously add to your page load time, and if your site takes too long to load, then your website visitors will leave. Seriously, if it takes longer than 3 seconds for any of your web pages to load, you're dead in the water. So Wix is great, but if you use them, you'll have to rein in your urge to go big, bold, and splashy with the visuals. In an upcoming video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a website with Wix, but for now, let's go have a quick look. Okay, so here's the page you'll most likely come to if and when you choose Wix as your site builder. Now, you could get started right away by clicking the Get Start button here, but today I wanted to show you some of their templates. Okay, so I've opened it up in another tab here, so let me open that. So if you were to scroll down to the bottom of their first page, you see here that there's 65 pages of website templates that you could choose from with Wix. Okay, that's a lot of them, but we're not going to show you that many, but let's just look at a couple. Here's a lovely one that I've used myself, the Success Coach one. I wasn't a success coach, but I've used their template, okay? And I viewed it. You can click the view button and it scrolls and it shows you what that looks like, okay? right? So that's lovely. Okay. Let's look at another one. How about this modeling agency one? So let's hover over it and press the view button in small. Another thing I really recommend is to click on the view full demo. If they have that as an option, they usually do for most of their templates. Right away you can see that the beautiful background image is taking a while to load to a sharp quality, which is a payload issue to watch out for when you're choosing a template with any builder, but especially on Wix. Okay, here she is now. Okay, nice and sharp. And so as you can see from this brief tour, guys, there is a lot of templates in Wix. Okay, and they're really lovely. But my advice is to pick a template that will load pretty quick, or if you can overcome some of your slow page load time with adding or replacing images that you have that are resized to a good size, file size. So that will really cut back your page load time issues, guys. Last but not least, GoDaddy. If you need to get your site up and live ASAP, GoDaddy might be your best option. The GoDaddy website builder is the fastest on the market. You can literally create and go live with your website in just one day. And if you have a very simple website, it could only take a couple hours. That's how quick it is. Not as visually stunning as Wix, and not as many customizable features as Weebly, but you can't beat GoDaddy for speed of use. In an upcoming video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a website on GoDaddy, but for now, let's go take a quick look at the GoDaddy builder. Okay, so here we are at the GoDaddy when you want to create a website. As one thing you can notice here, start for free. They don't require a credit card on file with them or anything for you to start building a website. Then the other thing is you're always going to find a contact us button. They are probably the best to customer service for GoDaddy. You get stuck when you're building a website or anything with GoDaddy, you can get them right away and they will help you. They'll walk you through it. So that's one of the advantages on GoDaddy as well, is that their customer service is second to none. So let's go have a look at their templates, and specifically I wanted to show you something regarding their load time on their templates. So let's just pick one. Let's say Happy Fox, and hit the preview button and see how fast this loads for us. And she's up. That's quick, pretty quick with that amount of visuals, and it loads that much faster than Wix. Okay, so let's pick another one just for, let's try this Flint & Co. Okay, preview. And that's up. That picture looks good. Look at all this stuff, looks good. So that's how fast their templates load. They don't have as many templates as Wix, but they do have some nice templates. They walk you through anything if you're having a problem, and you can create a website with them zippity quick, okay, on GoDaddy. So that's their advantage if you want to go with them. Here are my recommendations. Go with any of these depending on what's most important to you. So Weebly is the easiest to use, Wix has the most features and templates, and GoDaddy is the fastest site builder, plus they have the best customer service. As I kept saying in this video, in upcoming videos I'll be showing you how to create a website using each of these three builders. But before I do that, in my very next video, I'm going to show you the pros and cons of creating a 100% free website. Stay tuned for that. Or better still, guys, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. While you're at it, if you like this video, hit the like button below, and if you'd like me to cover something specific, please leave me a comment. Bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching.